in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Gasconade County, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:34 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near Swiss to near Bland, or along the line from 12 miles north of Owensville to 5 miles southwest of Owensville, moving east at 30. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Gasconade County, for wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following line from near Swiss to near Bland, or along the line from 12 miles north of Owensville to 5 miles southwest of Owensville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Owensville, New Haven, Gerald, Bland, Parkway, Rosebud, Miramigoa Park, Beaufort, Drake, Swiss, Mount Sterling, Berger, Leslie, Dozer Mill, Lyon, and Japan. Locations impacted include Washington, Union, Sullivan, St. Clair, Owensville, New Haven. Exits 225 and 242. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 225 and 240. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri. Thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Report severe weather to your nearest law enforcement agency or the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri. Severe thunderstorm watch number 6.